All right, it's here. I haven't got to see it yet, just now opening it. I just opened the box itself. Let's see here. Here they are. Can't pull it back in here. All right, here it is. Do this one-handed. Let's see. It's hard one-handed, tell you what. There we go. Oh, cool. I know that was coming. That's awesome. That is super cool. What is this? Oh, awesome. How cool is that? The little extenders for it. Really great. This is awesome. Look at that. You already put it together and everything for me. Man. Tell you what, this is, I'm not gonna lie, this is more than I expected. A lot more than I expected. Look at that. How cool is that? That is super awesome. Looks great. All the little details look good. Very lightweight. This is cool. Haven't figured out how it goes up and down yet, so I'll have to figure that out later on. I know that it's held, it'll stay in the air by just the weight of the vehicles. So that's pretty cool. Man, this is exciting. I'm happy this came. Took a couple of days delay because this whole Corona crap, but you know, he shipped it out pretty quick. Shoot, man, overall this looks great. I'll get it together a little bit later, sometime this weekend or something, and put a car on it and show you guys. Thanks for looking. See ya.